Hello everyone, I'm Swati, your maths teacher, and this is video lesson number 4 on the chapter Data Handling, Mean, Median and Mode. In the previous video, we learned how we find mean of the group data and ungrouped data. Today we are going to discuss about some problem based on mean. And the first problem is, if the mean of 5 observation x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 10, then find the mean of the first 3 observation. Student, what is given? Yes, given observations are, what are the observations? X, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8. What is the number of observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of observation is 5 and mean is equal to 10. We know that the formula of mean, that is mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation. Mean is 10 and the observations are x, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 by number of observation, that is 5. Now we cross multiply 10 into 5, we get 50 is equal to x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many x are there? 5. So it becomes 5x plus 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Now 50 minus 20 is equal to 5x, 30 is equal to 5x and x is equal to 30 by 5, x is equal to 6. Now what we have to do? Find the mean of the first 3 observations. So first we have to find the 3 observations. Observations are, first is x, that is 6, second is x plus 2, that is 6 plus 2, 8 and the third is x plus 4, 6 plus 4, that is 10, x plus 6, 6 plus 6, that is 12 and x plus 8, 6 plus 8, that is 14. Now we have to find the mean of 3 observation. Then mean is equal to first 3 observation, that is 6, 8 and 10. 6 plus 8 plus 10 by number of observation 1, 2, 3, that is 3. Now 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 10, 24 by 3 and the new mean we get is equal to 8. This is our final answer. What is given? Observations given, number of observations are given and mean given. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x. What we do? We just put the value in the formula, that is mean is equal to sum of observation and number of observation. We get the value of x is equal to 6. Then we find the rest of the observation and then the question says that find the mean of the first 3 observation, that is 8. Okay. The next question is, the mean of 10 numbers is 25. If 4 is subtracted from each numbers, then what will be the new mean? The mean of 10 numbers, it means number of observation is equal to 10, 10 and the mean is given 25. So what we have to first find? First we have to find the sum of observation. What we know? We know that mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observation. Mean is 25. Sum of 10 observation. Here number of observation is 10. So we write here 10 observation by 10. We get sum of observation is equal to 25 into 10, that is 250. We just cross multiplied. Now the question says if 4 is subtracted from each number, from each observation, then what will be the new mean? According to question, 4 is subtracted from each number. Then how many times 4 subtracted? 10 times, because there are 10 observations. So number of times 4 subtracted is equal to 10. We get 10 into 4, that is 40 is subtracted from the sum of the observation. So new mean is equal to sum of observation minus 4 is subtracted 10 times by number of observation 10. Now sum of observation is 250 and minus 40 by 10. 250 minus 40 we get 210 by 10. We get the new mean is equal to 21. Okay. What we do? First we find the sum of the observation. Then the question says 4 is subtracted from each number. It means each observation. Then how many times 4 subtracted? 10 times. So the new mean is equal to sum of observation minus 4 subtracted from each number by the number of observation. 250 minus 40 by 10, we get the new mean is equal to 21. The next question is, the mean of 5 numbers is 25. If one of the number is excluded, the mean gets reduced by 2. Determine the excluded number. Okay. What is given? Number of observation 5 numbers, that is 5, and mean is 25. Mean is equal to 25. So what we find first? First we find sum of 5 observation. How we find sum of 5 observation? If we multiply the number of observation with the mean, we get the sum of observation, that is 125. Now question says if one of the number is excluded, let the excluded number be x, then mean gets reduced by 2. New mean is equal to 25 minus 2, because the mean reduces by 2, it becomes 23. Now what we have to find? We have to find the excluded number, that is x. So new mean is equal to sum of 5 observation, that is previous observations, minus excluded number. Which number is excluded? By. Now the total number of observation. Initially the number of observation was 5. Now one number excluded, so it becomes 4. New mean 23 is equal to 125 minus x by 4. Now cross multiplication. It becomes 92. 125 minus x. Now in this side x is negative, so we change the side. In this side it becomes positive, and 125, 92 is positive in this side, so we change its position, and we get the value of x is 125 minus 92. What we get? We get 33. Hence, excluded number is 33. One more question, and this is the last one. If the mean of the following distribution is 6, then find the value of P. Here one distribution is given. So what we have to do? Again we have to construct a table of 3 columns. In the first column we write xi, that is observation, fi, that is the frequency of particular observation, and in the last column what we do? We find the product of the given observation and the respective frequency. The first observation is 2, 4, 6, 10, p plus 5. And the frequency of 2 is 3, then 2, 3, 1, 2. Now what we find? We find the product of the observation with their respective frequency. 2 into 3, 6, 4 into 2, 8, 6 into 3, 18, 10 into 1, 10, and when we multiply p plus 5 into 2, it becomes 2p plus 10. 2 into p, 2p, and 2 5 ja 10. Now what we find here? We find here sigma fi, that is summation of all the frequency. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. And what we find here? Sigma xi fi, that is summation of all these. 8 plus 6, we get 52 plus 10. Now we know that the formula we use for finding the mean of distributed data is mean is equal to sigma xi by sigma fi. Now the value of sigma fi is 52 plus 2p, and sigma of fi is 11. Now what is given? If the mean of the following distribution is 6, mean is given, that is 6. Now we cross multiply 6 into 11, we get 66, and this is 52 plus 2p. 66 minus 52 is equal to 2p. We get the value of 2p is equal to 14. Therefore, p is equal to 14 by 2. We get 7. Okay. What we do first? First we find First we make a table of 3 columns. In the first column we put xi, that is observation, in the second fi, and the third xi into fi. Then we find the sigma fi, that is sum of all the frequency, and sigma xi fi. Now then we put mean is equal to sigma xi fi by sigma fi, and we get the value of p is equal to 7. That's all for today. Note down your homework. Take care and have a nice day.